Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Lestari. I'm third semester with NPM 061940512772 from Accounting Department, Sriwijaya State Polytechnic. Okay, right now I would like to share to you about the material of the day. It's about paragraph structure. What is a paragraph? Paragraph is a piece of writing that consists on one or more sentences. Sometimes the first line is indented. Parts of a paragraph. A paragraph regularly has three parts, and the number one, topic sentence or the beginning sentence, usually the first sentence in a paragraph, needs to state one idea clearly. Useful tips: always put the most important information first. And then number two, supporting sentence or the middle sentence. They support the information of the topic sentence. It includes specific details. Elaborates and explains the idea introduced in the topic sentence. Provides evidence and example. And then explains the evidence or example includes. Why is it relevant? And then number three, conclusion or the end. It reminds what the topic sentence was about. Makes links back to the main idea of the paragraph, back to reset question or topic of the assignment to the next paragraph. This is paragraph sample. Hurricanes are high-speed windstorms that start over the ocean can have winds as fast as 250 kilometers per hour. Hurricanes usually happen over oceans, near the equator. They are formed when wet air is forced upward by heavy, cool air. The air pressure drops quickly from the other edge towards the center or eye of the hurricane. In the eye, the wind stops and the clouds lift, but the ocean below remains silent. The average hurricanes cover an area of at least 240 kilometers. When the storm is overland, this wind destroys life and property. Okay, I will identification about the paragraph. Hurricanes are high-speed windstorms that start over the ocean can have wind as fast as 250 kilometers per hour. This is blue is the topic sentence or the beginning sentence. And then black is the supporting sentence or the middle sentence. Hurricanes usually happen over oceans, near the equator. They are formed when wet air is forced upward by heavy, cool air. The air pressure drops quickly from the other edge towards the center or eye of the hurricane. In the eye, the wind stops and the clouds lift, but the ocean below remains silent. The average hurricanes cover an area of at least 240 kilometers. And last, red is a concluding sentence or the end sentence. When the storm is over land, this wind destroys life and property. Okay, thank you for watching and attention. I hope you all relax with and enjoy with my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.